Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan and it's time for Top Tech. So let's quickly get started. Now, Top Tech products tend to sell out quickly, guys, so we'll leave links to everything we feature in this video in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like Top Tech videos and the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video and so that you guys can get on some Top Tech action. Let's get started with the first product. The first product on our list are these Edifier computer speakers. Now, these are USB powered speakers that take an auxiliary input to get your music outputted through these speakers. Not only do these speakers look amazing, but they sound amazing as well. They're extremely compact. They have speakers that are exposed, and you also have a headphone jack on the front. So if you don't want to use your speakers, you can simply plug in your headphones and get output through that. The volume control knob will work for the speakers as well as the headphone output, and you have a standard USB cable along with a 3.5mm jack already hardwired to these speakers. The red on these speakers really pops, but they're also available in a white as well as a black color. They're priced at around 1,000 rupees. Definitely an impressive speaker set for that price. And if you just want to up the game in terms of your sound output from your PC or your laptop or your smartphone, these will definitely come in handy for that. They are built really well. They sound good for the price. Definitely go check these out. Link is in the description below. Next up on our list is this amazing gaming mousepad. Now, this mousepad is not only massive, but it hides a little secret on the side as well. You see this plastic area on the side, you simply plug in a micro USB cable on the top of this, and this becomes a wireless charging mat. So it does support a 10-watt output. So if your phone does support 10-watt wireless charging, you can simply place it on this to get wireless charging on your smartphone while you're working on your PC or your laptop. The mousepad itself is really well made as well. It's got a really nice braided exterior ultra smooth finish on the top and a rubber base which makes it non-slip. It's really easy to game on this or use this for basic mouse usage. Good desk mat as well because of the large size. If you're looking for something a little more compact, this is also available in a smaller size. We'll link both of these in the description below. Definitely a good product to add on to your desk, especially if you have a wireless charging smartphone or any other device that charges wirelessly. Now, next up on our list is this smart water bottle. It's got a double wall stainless steel design, so it keeps your cold water cool for long periods of time as well as your hot water hot for long periods of time. But then why is it in Top Tech? The interesting part about this bottle is that if you tap on the lid, it's got a temperature sensor inside that tells you the temperature of the water that's inside the bottle. Absolutely brilliant. So if you have hot water in there or if you put coffee in there, you can know the temperature of your coffee for long periods of time and you know if it's keeping it hot or has it let you down and has it cooled down your drink, or vice versa, has it heated your drink in the time that you've kept it or has it kept it cool. You can simply know by tapping on the top of the bottle. Another interesting aspect is that it does come with an infuser as well. So for those of you who like drinking green tea, this also doubles up as a green tea infuser. A really cool bottle, also available in several sizes. We'll leave links in the description below. Now, next up on our list for a price of just 500 rupees is the Mi Portable Wireless Mouse. Now, this is a simple mouse with a RF receiver. This doesn't have Bluetooth, even though Xiaomi does make a Bluetooth mouse as well. This one is a simple RF mouse. It's got a compact receiver that also tucks in when you remove the top panel, which also takes in a single AA battery. It's got a 1200 dpi of resolution. It's extremely compact, very nice and ergonomic in terms of design, very comfortable to use. The scroll wheel is nice and smooth. A really compact device if you decide to carry with your laptop, and there is a convenient on-off switch on the back of the mouse as well. So a really cool package for just 500 rupees. If you're looking for a portable mouse, this one is definitely one of the list that we recommend. Definitely go check this out. Now, next up on our list is this smart plug. Now, this allows you to connect devices and then control them via your smartphone or Alexa or Google. So all you need to do is set this up and set up your device, or whether it's a television, a speaker, an aquarium, or a fragrance diffuser, even a coffee machine can easily work off of this. This is a 10 amp version, but it's also available in a 16 amp version, not for a lot of money extra. A really convenient form factor. It's got a really simple app that is easy to set up with your wireless connection. And once you have everything set up, it is easy to conveniently set this up, and you also have a scheduler so you can turn this on at a particular time. So whether you have a light that you want automatically automatically turning on, or you have a coffee machine that you just want turning on in the morning and brewing some coffee for you, this smart switch or the smart plug will come in handy for that. Now both the 10 amp one and the 16 amp one work flawlessly, and if you have air conditioners or heavy equipment, you can use the 16 amp one for turning those on using the smart plug. So we'll leave links to both of these in the description below. Depending on what you need, you can pick and choose between the 10 amp and the 16 amp. Now next up on our list is something that I find is really crucial. A lot of people have a lot of tech nowadays and everything needs to be charged. So we're recommending this really cool wire storage and cable management box. This allows you to have your extension board along with lots of plugs of various chargers plugged into the extension board and all the cables hidden, so all your cables get managed, and this tidy box will allow you to keep all your cables tidy. It's available in this black color with this wood finish on the top. It is also available in a white color with the same wood finish on the top. So depending on what your aesthetic is and where you want to place this, it is available in both of those options. It is very well made. It's got really nice cutouts for ventilation as well as cable pass-throughs on both sides, as well as a simple pass-through on the top of the lid. It will tidy up all your cable mess and make it look nice and clean. Definitely go check this out, and it's priced relatively low at just $6.99. Next up on our list is this cool educational toy for your kids, especially for those who are interested in building and DIY. This is also cool for adults because you get to learn a few things about how things work. It's got a solar panel, allows you to convert basically all these Lego bricks into some sorts of robots. Lots of parts are included inside the package, along with a simple battery and a solar receiver. The solar receiver is slightly weak, but you can use a flashlight to power it up and then power the robot instead. A really cool learning tool, and for a price of just $6.43, you can make various kinds of robots, whether it's a walking bot, Autobot, or even a rowing bot. It can make up to 13 robots, and it's definitely a cool robot kit to check out for just 650 rupees. Now next up on our list is the Xiaomi 27 watt super fast charger. Now this is the sonic charge adapter that costs only $9.99 but can charge up to 30 watts with respect to charging. So if you do have a smartphone or a gadget that does support fast charging, this brick will allow you to do that, and it is quick charge certified as well, and it is one of the most well-made chargers that has safety inbuilt that you can buy for this low a price. So if you're looking for something that is quick charge 3 certified, if you're looking for something that crosses 27 watt up to 30 watts, and if you're looking for something that has a lot of inbuilt protection, including surge protection, overcurrent protection, all of those things, as a safe device, this is the one that you should pick. So the next product on our list is definitely going to be useful, especially in the current weather. It's really hot in India, and this portable air cooler is something that will come in really handy. Now this is a really compact size, so don't expect it to cool your entire room like a cooler would. This is a personal space cooler, so you can put it on your desk and cool the air that is being thrown at your face. This works on the same principle as a traditional water cooler does. So if you open this up, you can see that inside they've designed a paper-based fin system. Now this paper-based fin system soaks in water and it basically hydrates the air that is coming through it, and in the process of hydration there is a little bit of a temperature drop and it'll cool the air that is coming to you. Now this works in areas which are typically dry, and if you live in humid environments, this may not work very well. Now all you need to do is open it up from the side and fill it up with water. You do have 3 speeds on the fan as well, and you can also control the LED light that is on this cooler. Now we ran it with our thermal camera and we can see an impressive drop of over 5 degrees Celsius with respect to the air that is being cooled from this. We were already in an air conditioned room and we were getting temperatures around 27 degrees, but it dropped to around 20 to 22 degrees with the air cooler, which is pretty impressive. Something that will only be useful for a small personal space. For a price of around 1,000 rupees, this is a pretty cool device. It's available in various designs, but this one I feel worked the best. Now next up is a really cool and really important product. It is a 3-in-1 wireless charger and a disinfection device. Now this is a compact box which does have a UVC light in it. The UVC light is at a wavelength of 254, which basically turns off virus and bacteria. It will make it completely useless. And so if you have compact things like your smartphone, a wallet, keys, possibly your mask, you can pop it in there for a couple of minutes, and with the UVC light it will become completely inert, and all the virus and the bacteria that is on your devices that are personal devices can be completely removed. A really useful tool to have, especially in today's environment. Another cool thing about this is that it is also a wireless charger. So if you place your phone on top of this, once a micro USB cable is connected to it, you can charge your phone wirelessly. The third thing it triples up as is a portable mirror. It also includes a stand so you can prop it up and use it as a mirror if that is something that you want to use this for. For the first two purposes, it seems like a really cool device, and links to buying it are in the description below. The last product on our list is by far the coolest product on the list as well. For a price of 1300 rupees is a portable blender. Now it's available in a few colors. We've got this in the lime green color that you can see over here. It has a 4000 mAh battery inbuilt and a 7.4 volt motor. It's got a 330 milliliter jar which is attached to it, which can also convert into a bottle thanks to the cap that is included inside the box. And more importantly, this is a portable blender. So if you're somebody who likes to have smoothies or shakes or even protein drinks, you can have this on the go with you. It's extremely powerful for what it is, and it can really blend up things, and it's got a really powerful motor and a massive battery in there as well. It charges over a standard micro USB, but it also comes with a cover, so you can cover up your micro USB port in case you're blending or in case you have things that are wet around this blender. Really nice, compact, not that heavy, and extremely powerful for the price. Definitely go check this out. I've been making a few things that I've been sharing on my Instagram over the past couple of weeks, especially during the lockdown, and something like this would have been really cool to have around that time, but definitely enjoying it now. If you guys are interested in something like this, we'll leave links to this in the description below. And with that, we complete our top tech for this time around. I hope you guys enjoyed the list. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to become a part of Team iGyaan, and the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.